Good morning, student. Myself Kehar Singh from Jautri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 4 planning. So here we will see very important topic, limitation of planning. Planning have been different types of limitation. So here we will see one by one. So first one is success guarantee not present. In planning, the success guarantee is not present. It is not true that if that a plan has worked in post, it will bring success in future also. If planning is not effectively, and planning will not be show that you can more succeed in the particular business. Also, the assumption or prediction may not held true. Yes, yeah, different types of assumption. We will we will make the planning for different types of assumption and prediction, and it will be not true at all time. So we must be see at deep level. Thereafter, second one is a lack of accuracy. Planning is concerned with the future only, and future is uncertain. Planning is concerned with the future only, and future is not uncertain. Different types of changement, different types of condition and situation that have been play important role of the planning. Assumptions are not 100% accurate. Assumption that's why different types of planning have been failed. Many assumptions are made to decide future course of action. Different types of assumption decide to future course of action, and the make the planning at a good level, but these assumptions cannot provide the better output. Thereafter, time consuming process. Lot of time is needing in developing planning premises, evaluate of objective and selection the best one. Different planning take more and more time period. It is a time consuming process. We have been planned at a big time period, and that particular time period we have been not exact evaluation and exact analysis of the particular things, and we can not sure that we achieve the objective, and the particular person can be select that can fulfill the particular goal. Thereafter, lead to rigidity. This plan, if one's plan are made to decide the future course of action, manager not be in a position to change it. If the planning will be taken by the particular expert or team, thereafter a manager want to change them, then he can't change that particular planning. So it show the rigidity level. The kind of rigidity in plan may create difficulty. Different types of rigidity will create many problem related to the different things. That's why it is more rigid. Next one is not work in dynamic environment. Planning not work in a dynamic environment. Planning business environment is dynamic, and it keep on changing. Business environment, the person thinking level and all the things have been changeable. Different types of innovation, creative idea must be present if you want to stay in business, and if you want to take more and more profit. And if you not go with proper changement, you will not take more and more profit. Plans may fail if the changes are frequent. If you can change the plans at a very frequent level, thereafter the planning will be fail. Reduces creativity. With the planning, manager become blind follower of the plan. The if once planning will be set up, thereafter the person can make as a blind, and he can follow the plan without any question. Middle and lower level are not allowed to deviate from the plan. Middle and lower level have been not the permission that they can deviate or they can change the plan. Involve huge cost. In Planning is an intellectual process. It is brainstorming process, and companies need to hire the professional expert for this. And if any professional are coming to make planning, and thereafter he can charge more and more, and that's why planning shows more and more huge process, and a lot of money is also spent on collecting accurate fact of figure. A big amount have been spent for collection of the data, and that's why the planning is more and more valuable and more costly. Okay, thank you very much.